Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you an amazing update by the Canva. So now you can easily add video captions right inside the Canva. So adding a caption is even frustrating, writing word to word according to the video and sync it. So Canva solves your problem. Now you can easily automatically add all your captions right inside the Canva. It will automatically generate it. So let's dive in. All you have to do is just go to this social media button over here, and you can select the size what you like. Suppose if you are creating an Instagram reel or YouTube shorts, then select that. And if you are creating a landscape YouTube video like this, so then you can go with particular size. So I am just choosing this Instagram reel over here because I am creating. So all you have to do is now just go into this upload button over here and select your video file for which you want to add the caption. And do you know the fun fact is, if you add the caption into your videos, it will increase your retention rate by the 10%. So for the next time when you are hitting publishing button, make sure your video having the caption, because why not? Canva is providing you all, then why not you are adding caption into your videos? So do it now. So like that I'm showing you the step-by-step process. So all you have to do is just upload your file, just select your file, and once the file is completely uploaded, then only it will work for you. Okay, so this is the video. My last video is less known Canva feature is about. So you can watch it after end of this video. In the I button you can click it and watch it. Okay, so I'm selecting this video and make it the size according to the Instagram reel, like vertical video I'm making, and just make sure my video and myself into the center. Okay, I will just crop the rest of the part like this, and okay, so now it's looking good. And I'm also selecting the 30-second part in my entire video to just showcase how it will work. So I'm just selecting only 30 seconds and click on done. And for adding caption, all you have to do is just go into this apps button over here, and here you will scroll down, you can see this caption. So just click on it and just select the audio file or the video file for which you want to add the caption. If you have multiple files, then select only for which you want to add the caption. So just hit on this generate caption button. So within a second it will allow or added you all the caption of your videos right inside like this. So you can see my video is having caption now. So now you can even more edit this caption. Just click on this caption button over here, and if you want something is misspelled according to you, so you can just make it correct. And you can even update your caption, and you can also change the font, change the effect. So I will just make it according to my brand color, which is already in. So I will show you the process. If I want to make it black, this one, and the white, I will choose this one, cream one. Okay, and I'm also changing this font to my brand font, which is Roboto. And if you want to make it capitalize, make it bold, this is only up to you. So you can do this according to your styling. So I will just make it to be in the center. Okay, so like this, you can see you can also even customize any particular elements of the caption like this. I am just going to the black for all and just Roboto font for all. So I'm just hit publish or play button, so you can see. So in this way you can also add amazing captions right inside the Canva and publish amazing videos which having the high retention rate. So then why not you are adding caption into your video? This update makes video creation so much easier. If you are a content creator or a small business owner, then do add caption into your videos. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into this next amazing Canva feature or any other video which is related to design and help you to improve you as a content creator or as a person. So till then, take care of yourself, tata, bye.